Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll show you how to install and use Nodemon. So for this I have taken one of my Node project and I'll show you how to use Nodemon. So for that you just need to install the package Nodemon. So the command for it is basically npm install Nodemon. So what Nodemon does is it helps us to restart the server again and again without manually doing it. So it is very helpful. Like if some changes you had made, then it will automatically save it and then restart the server. So once it is installed, like you can see it is installed, and now we will go to package.json, and here we have to write a simple single line code, that is start and nodemon or just node index.js. So that is our landing file. The index.js file is the landing file, so you have to mention it here. Just save it, and now by using this command npm start, yes, it is started, connection established. Here you can also give nodemon. So now when you make the changes, now you can see the server is started. Let's suppose I have made anything, any correction here. Let's say here I remove all of these and now just save it. So you can see it is restarting the server. So in this way you can use Nodemon into your project. It makes like very helpful. It is very helpful while you are working into a project, because every time you make changes and then save it, it will automatically restart the server. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.